Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to easy root LD9 on Windows 10 and 11. So guys, for easy root, first of all, preparing your LDPlayer instance. Launch the LDPlayer emulator on your Windows PC and ensure no other LDPlayer instance are correctly running. Then guys, verify your LDPlayer 9 is up to date to the latest version for the stability. Close any heavy background application to free up the system resources. Then guys, activating root permissions. So guys, open the setting icon located on the right side for the LDPlayer. Navigate to the game setting or other setting tab and locate the root permission option with the setting menu and toggle the root permission switch to on or enable. Then confirm any pop-up request to restart the emulator and wait for the LDPlayer to completely restart with root access enabled. Then verify root access. Once LDPlayer restart, open the LD store or the Play Store. Then research for and install a reliable root checker application. Then launch the root checker app after the installation is complete. Then tap the verify root button within the application. Then grant the super user access if prompted by the apps. Then confirm the congratulations root is properly installed the messages. Okay. After that, if it is platform specific nodes, ensure your visualization technology your VT is enabled in your BIOS and UEFI. Keep your graphic driver up to date for the optimal performance. Allocate sufficient CPU core and RAM to the LDPlayer. After that, if you are using Windows 11, so same, confirm your visualization is active. Disable the core isolation memory integrated in the Windows security and close any resource incentive application running in the background. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.